Hi guys, welcome to Kombo Beach Resort. The season is open here in our wonderful and amazing hotel. But for this year, we have a lot of activities in store for our dear guests. You guys already know we had activities like the live band playing, we have the acrobats. The Gambia is also known for its cultural activities. Therefore, we bring you live cultural performance. One of the activities we'll have for you that is brand new from the package is DJ Ice playing twice per week in the hotel.
As it is right now, there's a new program that we just created every Tuesday and every Thursday. I give you the best of the R&B old school. I give you the best of Afrobeat. I give you the best of Amapiano and some nice dancehall and reggaeton. Trust me, every Tuesday and Thursday from 8 o'clock till 10 p.m.
This season we have something brand new, which is our live grill every day. I mean every day of the week we'll have a live grill for you. We'll have seafood, we'll have lamb chops, we'll have steaks, we'll have rib eyes, we'll even have tiger prawns. If you want, we can grill octopus from the water for you as well. Whatever is grillable will be grilled here. That was fast. That was quick though. And what is this? What do you have?
Just guess what is this?
Steak?
It is beef steak. Locally we make for you. It's a well done.
Oh!
With one sauce, we have this the potato, like a mashed potato. That is chips.
Okay.
So we're gonna enjoy it.
Thank you.
There.
Thank you, chef. So we had DJ Ice today, which is every Tuesday and Thursdays, and we'll have more activities for you throughout the season. So what are you waiting for? Book a flight now, book a room, and come to Kombo Beach Resort. Let's have fun and a memorable holidays. Bye!